Hi, I'm Mike Silver, product expert at Bosch Power Tools North America, and this is the new Bosch GRW 18V160 18-volt brushless high torque mixer. When you're mixing heavy materials like drywall, mud, stucco, or mortar, you need a mixer that can handle it all. Power and control are key. But traditional corded mixers limit your movement, and many battery-powered options just don't deliver enough torque. And once mixing begins, splashback or sudden kickback can make the job inefficient or unsafe. Delays, wasted materials, and safety risks. That's what's at stake if your mixer isn't up to the task. This is why we created the Bosch GRW 18V160. This mixer is packed with features designed for tough jobs. Variable speed trigger with soft start for splash-free mixing from the start. A speed dial located on the handle, giving you instant control at your fingertips. This tool has kickback control to protect you during binding. With the M14 spindle and reinforced battery frame, you're getting durability where it matters most, and it's cordless. Get the power and control you need. Find the Bosch GRW 18V160 at your local retailer or visit us online for more information.